My mother, Amelia Robin, was an amazing artist. When she was a child during the Depression, her parents couldn't buy her art supplies, so she started to cut and fold the cardboards that came with her father's shirts from the laundry and invented a whole new kind of art, freestanding paper figures. Her big break came when she made a Sleeping Beauty for Walt Disney in 1956 that was in every movie theater lobby in America, and you could buy a kit to make it at home. It was such a hit that she started to sell paper sculpture kits, first Santa Claus, and then many other holiday decorations that you could buy from women's magazines. They were everywhere in the 50s and 60s. In homes, classrooms, libraries, hundreds of thousands were sold. Then, in the 70s, she moved on to other projects, but people didn't forget her kits. In fact, we know that some people have kept ones from the 60s, which they take apart and put together every year. So now, after 50 years, my family is bringing them back out. Unique, mid-century modern home crafts projects designed by my mother, Amelia Robin.